Welcome back to the JVZoo tutorial video series. In this video, we're going to go over the sellers section. This is probably going to actually take 2 videos because of how much is in this section and how important it actually is. So let's go straight to the sellers dashboard. On this screen, you're going to see your list of products that you have to sell. But let's actually start at the top here. When you want to add a product, you can click the Add a Product button. There's another way to do it at the bottom of the page, which I'll show you later. Then here you may see a pink box. If you owe manual commissions or delayed commissions, you'll see this here. You can click See Details and it will show how you can get those paid. This blue box, which you may or may not see, you have products you can send notifications on. Buyers can specifically select in the buying process whether they want to receive notifications from you in the future about future products. If they have, you can click See Notifications. It will give you a list of notifications you can send out at a single click, and that will notify all of those buyers about your new product and hopefully bring in some sales. JVZoo has recently added tagging. For each of your products, you can add tags. For example, if you have different categories of products or however you want to separate them, you can add a tag. For example, I have a lot of graphics products, so I could make a tag of graphics. And then in the filter box, I could type graphics and it will automatically filter out all of the non-graphic tag products and only show those graphic items. Now, in your product list, you can click any of these headers and it will sort by whatever you select. Default, it always puts the item that you've sold the most number of units up at the top. And on this particular account of mine, it happens to be the Graphics Booster Personal Usage License. So that is up here. We see the JVZoo product number in the ID column. Product number is very important to know. It's used in a number of links, the affiliate link and such. And you want to use that, have it in mind when you're putting your sales funnels together. This is the date that the product was launched, how many units were sold, the average price per sale, and the total revenue that it generated. For each of the products, you're going to have a series of links. Well, first of all, let's talk about what this link does right here. This link, if you click on the product name, I'll do that and open it up in a new tab here, you will see the information of how much it sold in greater detail, including how much was paid to partners, how many refunds you've had, net sales, which is gross sales minus refunds, and net revenue. This particular product we were giving 100% commission on, so the net revenue is very small. And this is where you'll find each transaction, each order. Here is a link to the transaction ID. And if you click on the transaction ID, you'll get even more information about the particular order. I'm not going to go into that because that's private information, obviously. The date and time that it was purchased, the email of the buyer who purchased it, the status, whether it's completed or refunded, the amount that they spent to buy the item, if there was an affiliate, which affiliate made the sale, and then a coupon code if it was used and a tax ID. So that's what you'll find here. You can click Edit to go into the product's individual information, but I'm going to show you that from the main page here. Clicking this blue button will take you to the sales page for that product, which you can see down at the bottom here on the link. So the other items you have to click on here are the affiliate details page. Let's open that up. And I happen to know on this one that there isn't going to be a ton of information. I am actually an affiliate for this, so it has information here for me. Here is some affiliate information from the actual launch when it goes live, the JV page for it. This is old information. I'll show you in the product actually where this stuff appears and how you can make it appear on your product. Since I'm an affiliate for the product, it's my own product, I was able to add a bonus here. This is what affiliates will see if they want to promote your product. So on this page, they'll see the sales price here, what the commission is, how many other products are in the sales funnel, who the vendor is and the vendor profile, the button to click for them to get their promotional link, and an autoresponder integration to integrate anyone who buys through their link into their own autoresponder, JVZoo IPN integration if you need that for something you're doing as an affiliate, like for some particular special bonus, and the bonus that people get for buying it. So I'll show you what you can control is on this page is the stuff that's shown right down here. And I'll show you how you can control that in just a few minutes. Also on here are buy buttons. This shows you the links to get buy buttons, and that's done through sales funnels because those are special buy buttons. If we go to that, we now see the no thanks link, which you would use if it was an upsell for someone to click on if they don't want to buy it, and then the code for the various buy buttons from JVZoo for this product. Edit is what you'll click, and I'll show you this in just a minute here, to change all of the information on the particular product. This is what you would click to add an affiliate contest for this product. If you're running an affiliate promotion or a launch, you can set up a contest where the top selling affiliates get sales. I don't have an affiliate contest for this product, but if I did, I would put the name of the contest here, what date it starts, what date it ends, whether or not it's active, which funnel to apply it to, and then I can list all the prizes in a WYSIWYG window here. If I click Save, this will now be, the information in the WYSIWYG window will now be available for people to see and updated live between the start date and the end date of the contest. This is a fantastic way to motivate affiliates to sell your product. Detailed sales is the same page that clicking on the product name will take you to. We've already seen that. Clicking on reviews will take you to a page where you can read any buyer reviews that were filed for your product. So what I'm going to do now is pause this video and start a new video up showing you the edit section, because I don't have enough time in this video to show it to you here. So that will be in part 2 of this video. See you there.